Hello, in this video we will see about the stem of submerized hydrophytes. The epidermis of stem of submerized hydrophytes is one layer. Here the outer structure, this represents the epidermis, which is one layer in thickness. Cuticle is absent. No cuticle is present in the stem of submerized hydrophytes. In place of cuticle, mucilaginous coating is present in the stem of submerized hydrophytes. No cuticle is present. In place of cuticle, submerized mucilaginous coating is present. Cortex are of parenchymatous cell. Huge number of air space is present which help in bouncy. So, next to the epidermis there is a cortex which is many layer in thickness. The cortex cells are parenchymatous and there is a huge number of air space present in the cortex which help in bouncing. The cell of cortex contain chloroplast. We learned in the submerized hydrophytes, in the root of the submerized hydrophytes, that the chlorophyll are present in the epidermis, but the chlorophyll or the chloroplast are present in the cortex in the stem of the submerized hydrophytes. The endodermis and pericycles are not well differentiated. So same in the root also the endodermis and pericycle were not well distinguished. So here also the endodermis and pericycles are not well differentiated. The vascular tissues is poorly developed in stem. The xylem and phloems are not well differentiated. The vascular bundle are fibrous type. That means vascular bundle are fibrous type means the xylem and phloem are present at the center. Mechanical tissue system totally absent. Air cavity present in the center of the stem. So, in the stem of the submerized hydrophytes, the epidermis is one layer. Next to the inner to the epidermis there is a cortex which is many layer in thickness, and the cortex cells are parenchymatous, and in cortex there is a huge number of air spore present which help in bouncing. Inner to the cortex there is a presence of endodermic and pericycle which is not well differentiated from each other. Inner to the pericycle there is a presence of vascular bundle which are of fibrous type. That means xylem and phloems are present at the center and no mechanical tissues are present, and the air cavity is present at the center of the stem. That means at the vascular bundle also air cavity is present. So this is all about the stem of the submerized hydrophytes. Hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video.